Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for AlfaLine, the back-office portion of AlfaRicci software. AlfaLine should be accessed using the Google Chrome web browser. If you don't already have this browser installed on your computer, it can be downloaded from the web by following the link below. To log on to AlfaLine, the back-office cloud-based portion of AlfaRicci software, go to the AlfaRicci website at www.alfaricci.com. Click the login link at the top right-hand corner of the page. Log in using the AlfaLine login details provided to you by AlfaRicci. From AlfaLine, you can create new product groups, products, till screen layouts, pricing plans, and staff lists. Product groups are the basic division of goods within your unit. Each product must belong to one group. To see existing groups, click on the plus symbol by the word groups to expand the list. Click on the plus symbol next to each group to see products within that group. To create a new group, click on the word groups. Give the new group a name. At this point, you can start assigning existing products into the group. Click Save to save the new group. You should now see your new product group appear within the groups list. Products are the items for sale within your unit. To see existing products, click on the plus symbol next to the word products. To add a new product, click on the word products. The only mandatory fields on this screen are product name and group. Give your new product a name. And assign the product to an appropriate group. Scroll down and click Save to save the changes. Your new product should now appear on the list of products. To assign selling prices to your products, we must create a pricing plan. Click on Pricing Plans to start a new plan. Give your new pricing plan a name. You can search for products by product name, or view a list of all existing products. Products are sorted by group. Enter your selling prices in the price including VAT columns for eat-in and for take-out items. The software will automatically work out price excluding VAT using pre-configured VAT codes. By default, these are set to 0 VAT for VAT code A and 20% VAT for VAT code B. Price difference for eat-in and take-out prices can factor in the different VAT costs and also service and seating costs. If there is no eat-in facility or for general retail, then all the prices for eat-in can be left at 0. For restaurants with no take-out facility, all prices for take-out can be left at 0. Click Save to save the changes to the pricing plan. Your pricing plan should now appear on the list of pricing plans, which can be viewed by clicking the plus symbol next to pricing plans. Once we have created some products, we can start to design a till layout to be used on the front end of the AlfaLine software. To begin designing a layout, click on Layouts. We can start a new layout, or by clicking on the plus icon next to the word Layouts, we can edit an existing layout. Here we can see a representation of the front end of the AlfaLine software. The layout is divided into 3 sections. Along the bottom is the department section. Departments are the broadest divisions of goods within your shop. Above the departments we have the pages section, where departments can be subdivided. On the right hand side of the layout is the product section, where product buttons will be created. Start by creating a department by right-clicking anywhere within the department section. Give the department a name and click Add to create the button. To add a page to this department, double-click on the department button. The 3 white boxes along the top allow us to see which section of the layout we're currently in. So here we're in the food department. To create a page button, right-click anywhere within the Pages section. Give the page a name and click Add to create the button. To add a product to this page, double-click on the Page button. Now we can see that we are in Department Food, Page Starters. To add a product to the page, select the product from the appropriate group on the right-hand side of the screen. Click the plus to expand the group, and left-click on the product to add it to this page. Remember to save the layout as you go. Department, page and product buttons can all be resized and moved around the screen. To move a button, simply click and drag to where you would like that button to appear. Buttons can be resized by clicking on the button, selecting one of the white tabs, and clicking and dragging. To change the colour or the font of a button, right-click on that button and choose a preferred colour and font. You can also change the size of the text. Click Save to enable the changes. To quickly copy a style from one button to another, right-click on the button from which you wish to copy the style, click Copy Style, and left-click on the buttons to which you want to copy the style. Once you're finished copying, click the X next to Element Style is in Buffer to close the copying function. Once you've finished editing your layout, remember to click Save Layout to save your changes. Finally, we need to create a list of staff members who will be operating the front end of the AlfaRicci software. To add a new member of staff, click on the word Staff. Enter the staff member's full name. Below this, enter the name the staff member will use to log on to the front end of the software. The payroll number will act as a staff member's password to log on to the front end of the software. This field must be only numeric and must be unique for each member of staff. If we assign this staff member a manager password, they will have access to the admin functions of the front end of the software, such as running end-of-day reports. This field must also be numeric. Lastly, add all of the units in which this staff member is able to work. Press Save to save the changes. We can now see this staff member has been added to the list of staff. This concludes the Quick Start Guide for AlfaLine. For more features of the software, or for troubleshooting, please consult the AlfaLine user manual.